Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily contact customer support on the Binance application. So what you want to do is go easily to top left to your account. When you're gonna do and be on your account, go to top right and you will see the microphone with the not speakers but headphones. Click on it and then thanks for contenting, enter and select your question. I don't know, you can just choose like this one here, and ask me something, and you just start writing CS Barry, please translate it to us, I don't have ID, and you just easily write it. This way you can easily do it, and that's how we can do it. So wait a second, again I will just click on it. It will automatically connect to you, and then also what you can do is go to top right and just cancel it. So this is the way how we can do it. And another way how we can do it, so when you would go to the Chrome and I just write here contact customer support Binance support FAQ, nothing. So this is the first way, or just click here on the bottom that showed the button and you can easily write the question, or click here support center and just easily just contact them through the first way how I showed you. So that's the way how you can do it. Submit the request and you just write it here. We are always going to get here. So here's our users. And this is how we can do it. So when I go back to the Binance account, I come here, click on the support, crypto withdrawal, cancel withdrawal, and this is how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.